Hello friends, I am Parvinderrandhawaguru from IBS Ambala, India. Today I am going for some use of grammar in our writing as well as in speaking also. These are some of the basic tips which we have to keep in mind, right? So the thing is that, and you are watching my YouTube channel, that's Parvinderrandhawaguru, fine. And the thing, what I am going to do, I am just like going for a very, we can say that basic thing, that how to use proper grammar in writing task 2 especially, as well as in writing task 1, right? So now please find the error in this one. Many people are worried about the bad effects of mobile on brain. So usually you people write these kind of lines also, right? So in this case, so what the mistake we usually commit? So check it please properly. Many people are worried about the bad effects of, right, mobiles on the brain. So this is the right sense here. Fine. Now let's go to the second one. I'll write some of the sentences, then in this I'll give you some of the tips related to the writing task 2 only. We need to look at factors such as availability of health care. So what is the mistake here? Please check it, right? We need to look at factors such as, right, dash availability of health care. Fine. So what is the mistake here? You have to check the availability of health care. So please try to concentrate where I have to use the a and in a proper manner, so as there is no detection of band here. Third, I think they are also right to certain extent. I think they are also right to a certain extent, right? Then next one is fourth. She explained that Chinese food often requires a lot of ingredients. Right. She explained that Chinese food often requires a lot of. So what's the mistake here? Check it properly. C should be capital. So these are the general mistakes we are committing in conclusion, right? Let me write again. The world population is expanding at an unsustainable rate. This is the cutting here. In conclusion, the world population is expanding at an unsustainable rate. Right? What is the blunder here or the mistake here? Check it, find it, do it. Comma should be after the in conclusion. Basically, you have to write there two tasks. One is 1, second is writing task 2. Common thing everybody knows, not a new thing, right? I advise you write for writing task 1 in academic overall, or should be caps, and writing task 2 in the last para in conclusion. This is a noun here according to the dictionary, so it's better to write. So journal writing as well as academic writing, they can go with in conclusion, right? Mistake we got here. Now next one, that is fine. If we look for example at sports in schools, if we look for example at sports, if we look comma for example comma at sports in So these are some of the things on which we have to concentrate while writing right our answer. Now I'm going to the next thing in this one. What is a useful language that can give me band? The main thing is this one. The useful language that can give me band. Right. In this case, the main thing is the positive comments. Right. So what are the positive comments here? No. If you are writing the case of suppose advantage, the first advantage, this is my positive comment, right? Then I can also write among them many advantages of whatever I want to write mobile phone is R. So this kind of language you can use to get maximum band. Then I'll give you for this one, the advantage has a strong relation with benefit also. So for the positive thing, I am going for the benefits of dash, right? I can say anything is or according to you. So this is some positive comments which I have to use, right? And I can also do the what's the main thing? Main thing when to how to get the band, nothing else. What they want from you, what the examiner wants, the right language, right? So how to produce the right language? That's the main thing here. Then I can go with another, right? Positive result of, right? So I can go with another language in this case. Positive result of what of I can see mobile phone is so and so. Then I can write for positive one of them one of the major pros oblique anything you can write PROS plus points. This you can use. Right. Then go to another thing. A positive aspect of dash is so and so. So you have this kind of language which you can work on it. Then there is one line with you, even if you will find in statements also, the benefits of dash for, this is very common language, outweigh the drawbacks. So this kind of language. Now what are the things which we have to go with the negative comments? Right. Opposite language of this one of the major, you can write according to you or not, drawbacks of dash is dash. Next, a negative aspect of dash is dash. Right. Among the many drawbacks of dash is whatever. So these are just, you can say, the structure of a thing, nothing else. Right? So this is only the structure, and I can also say the first drawback is dash. So this is the structure here on which we can work. Now what we can do in this case, these are the words which we can work, and so that our topic will be great for us. Right. So now let's do a writing task here. That is very much essential nowadays. In writing also we can say that how to get the band. That's the main thing. So let's do a writing task here. You are watching my YouTube channel, that's Parvinderrandhawaguru, right? And this work we did here, right? And what we did here, that is based on the use of grammar, that how to use grammar in a right manner, so that our topic remains strong and the examiner will not detect the bands. That's the main thing here. So this is page 1 on which we worked, right? Then there are other things of the page on which we work, because the meaning what we are going to write, that's very much essential in our life, that how to write. So this is a thing on which I worked here. Now I am going for the writing task 2 in the same video, and these are the negative points or the drawback points. So let's work now on the next. Now the main thing. My topic is this one: schools concentrate, right, for too much on traditional subjects which do not adequately prepare students for the realistic demands of the modern working world. Now topic says, to what extent do you agree or disagree? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. So this is a topic on which we have to work. First of all, we have to check that what's the main thing here. Schools then concentrate far too much on traditional subjects, underlined, relation, which do not adequately prepare students. Second, organization, human, direct relation of schools with the students. For the realistic demands, where the demand is required, the modern working world. Just check this thing, what I want to say. Schools, organization, concentrate, focus area, traditional subjects. Now for what I need traditional subjects? For the students. Why I need to the students? To the demands of the modern working world. This is my topic. So what I have to write? What's the accurate meaning of this topic? What I have to write? How to make the step? I can go with 4 paras. That's the best thing here. Right? First of all, what thing I am going to write? Main thing is that schools are preparing students for the working life, for the social life, right? Are they preparing? Right? For the situations, are they preparing? That's the thing here. They are making them the real humans, or just they are just like we can say that tailor-made syllabus is there and they are working on this one. So what's the thing here? So what I'll do in my step, let's go for the step, because step work is necessary. First I will go with the keywords, highlight them that I did. You can check please. What the subject needs from me, how to write the subject. That's an issue here. Right? I'm not going to write the complete, but I'll give you the base of this subject. Right? So what are the keywords here? Highlight the keywords. On which area I'm going to write. Right? Keywords and the area. Main thing. Why underline these things? So that I will not go out of the topic. I will remain stick to my topic. That's why I have written these things. Got? Now let's go. So key area and keywords area. Let's stick to the point. What I want to say, just check. Then I am going for the introduction. Introduction is simple. You can check various steps. I am not going to make here. Right? I will write only one thing. School syllabus. That should be there. Right? Concentrate word is changed to focus. Traditional subjects are changed to academic subjects. Right? Then leads. Why leads? Subject verb agreement. Lead is dependent on what thing? this one. Focus. Why on is there? Grammar is pulled back to the noun. That is the. Okay. Leads to a failure. To a failure. I am saying leads. I am not saying 100% sure. This is a part of introduction. To prepare students, I told you the process of introduction. I am just giving you the main idea, the gist of the thing. To prepare students, what they have to face, real life situations for the challenges of the real world. Right? So this is a part of the introduction. Check just a paraphrase language, nothing else. Done properly. Right? Now, this is my step 1, that is my para number 1, also known as introduction. Now I am going to the body para number 1, which is very much popular thing in Ielts. How to write. Now first of all, I agree on certain issues. What I have to agree? Fact. I have to write the fact here. What's the fact? Right. In starting, he said schools concentrate on too much. What's the English of too much? That's the second word of too much, sorry. Overly, concentration, focused. Right. On which they focus? Academic subjects. This I have written in introduction also. Now, what are they? This is a fact here. Cause. I maintained a cause. Now, in case of this one, disadvantages, I am giving you the effects. Now, what's the effects? I have selected 2 reasons, 1 and 2. Right. Many students, first one, are not academically strong. Everybody knows. Right. So what the school is doing? School does not cater, right, for them or equip them with skills to help them find a job in future or to work in a society. What I picked initially, check it. Working life, social life, other situations. No realistic preparation of social life, second reason, right? Second disadvantage coming from here, social life. Right? Even if I can say that life skills, right? Fine. So this is the point here. This video you will find in 2 steps. I'm going for the second step also, right? But let me complete the agree point, then I'll go for next step in this one. And then naturally they are not telling us in managing stress. First thing, the concept of subjects, whatever we learn at school, cannot be applicable in real life, right? I am using cannot to a great extent. So this is the thing. So I am going for the part 2 also in this video, right? So once again I have started this topic, right? And you are watching my YouTube channel, that's Parvinderrandhawaguru. Fine. This is a topic here, schools concentrate, and I have written some of the points here. So I am going to the part 2 here. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Go to the part 2, right? I will maintain the link of both videos, so don't get disturbed please. And you are watching my YouTube channel, that's Parvinderrandhawaguru. Please like, comment and share my YouTube channel, right? Thanks once again.